Okay, you guys should join back. We're back. I'm back. I'm back. The last session we had, I didn't record it, and it's pinning me right now because that session actually carried weight. So you guys join back so that I can come back to that session. And you need to record that session and send to you guys. Hello, 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 hello. I'm waiting. Pastor join. Oh, your number is not going through. Join. So, okay, probably I will just do the session again and send to you guys. Okay. So, I was explaining what candlestick really mean. Are you getting it? The foundation of trading is that number one, most Nigerians, especially Nigerians, number one, we don't want to go to school. I would say school is a scam. Trading is a school, trading is a university, trading is advanced. Once you don't follow that advanced class or advanced lecture, you will always lose money in this business. Once you don't have the basic, not just the knowledge, you have to have the basic knowledge and you have to have the advanced knowledge to be a trader in this business. The moment you are saying that you don't know what a candlestick is all about, you are actually doing yourself because you're not supposed to be trading. Are you getting it? Like professional traders, people you see making money today are actually in this business because they know whatever is happening in the market. Are you getting it? So you're welcome back, Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson, you're welcome
online.
back. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Pastor phone went off. Something is not, and the other people are not live. So let me just continue. I want to start over again because that last session that I did not record carries weight. It carries a lot of weight, and it was telling me I didn't know why I did not record. Are you getting it? But I am 100% sure this one is recording right now. It is very important that you through this particular, start listening to me. You cannot make trading if you don't have the knowledge. Forget signal group, forget free signals. If you actually have the knowledge, trust me, you will never accept 5 million naira from anybody to even train them. Because that money, you can actually make that money in less than 1 month. It is very important that you start from the beginning. You don't jump class. We Nigerians, we want to jump class. Like, we even want to go to school, but we don't want to go to class. Many people don't go to class, not even going to class. Many people don't listen in class. Many people want to do expo. In trading, you cannot cheat trading. You cannot cheat in trading. You don't have the knowledge. You don't have the knowledge. And the knowledge is what you need to be a profitable trader. Without the knowledge, you cannot trade. So when I tell you that we are buying from, look, yesterday now, I gave a signal that we are buying from 1.0575, and I also bought as low as 0.520. I bought as low as 1.0520. And as I'm talking to you right now, I'm in massive profit. Massive profit. If I show you that trade, you'll be shocked. And I can tell you categorically right now that I will be leaving that trade for the next 1 or 2 months. It does not concern me because I'm aiming for it. Might not
1 or 2 months.
You might not get. There's a trade I am right now. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions opened on EURUSD. Are you getting it? I'm going to take profit from here, and I will explain to you from beginning of trading. I'm going to take profit from here. I'm going to take profit from the 780. We are also going to also then wait for a retracement. As in some, I'll leave some to continue running, and you'll be shocked. Like, how do I know this will happen in this market? I will explain to you. Forget news, forget anything. There's something called market structure in trading. Once you are a very, very good market structure trader, you will be able to predict whatever is going to happen in the market, like we are doing right now. So if I can come back, yesterday, we were on a massive sell. Yesterday, massive sell, if you can see my screen.
Yes.
But I was telling people to buy.
Yes, I can see it.
I was telling people to buy. Like,
yes, even me, I was surprised.
Is it not crazy when you be like, what is because you don't really have the knowledge? But I'm telling you right now that this place was an area of value we had yesterday. Was an area of value. And the area of value is where we have previous, maybe previous support. Are you getting it? We have under support, we have under support. And if you go back, you will see that we have under support that broke. So this place was a resistance before, we broke it, we came back, we found support, we came up again.
It became support.
Are you getting it? No matter where we went to, we came back again, we found support again. Are you getting? Since I got a 3 touches of support, I consider that as my area of value, and that's where I want to be buying from. Are you getting it? That is trading for you, but what we are doing right now is not coming to advanced trading, which I might support. But I'm just trying to give you what I mean by area of value. So since this was a support already, this was a support, buyers may likely, be around this area. Are you getting it? To buy this market to the upside. So I was like 80% sure that this will hold, yes, because we got about 4 previous touches on the support already. So I named that particular area an area of value where we'll have previous support and resistance. Are you getting it? I name it an area of value. So this is now my area of value. So since this is my area of value, that is where I want to be buying from. Are you getting? So forget indicators, forget every other thing. Since you know what is support and resistance mean already, always buy from your support or demand zone, or sell from your resistance or supply zone. And there are things that showed me yesterday that we are coming back to this support. And I've been crying about everybody wait, don't buy yet. For the past, since last week, right? I've been crying that wait, let's go and retrace properly to support. And everything you are seeing that is happening right now has happened somewhere before. If you are really in class, if you are really not just know how to trade, you are really in all the markets. Everything that is happening here right now has happened on gold before. Let me show you and you'll be shocked. This is it. It happened on gold before. Are you getting it? Yes. We are yesterday. And this was what happened yesterday. We came back to this support. And if you can go back to gold, you see that was why I told you that gold is 1 week ahead already. So let me show you an expo right now. Whatever is happening on EURUSD right now, this is where we're on EURUSD. Look at it on gold. Look at it on gold. This is it on gold. This is where we are right now on gold. So we bought from here yesterday, and no matter the interest rate decision that will happen today, forget, those are just things to scare you off. Are you getting it? This will happen like it has happened on gold. So instead of me trading gold, I will trade this one that is giving me a discount already. Are you getting it? So you must know what a candlestick pattern means. You must know what your chart pattern means. You must know what your pattern means. You must know what your levels means before you start trading. If not, you are a blind man in a blind room. And once you are in a blind room, what happens? You must always hit your leg on a share. So it is very important that you go to school of knowledge in trading first. Have all the basic knowledge. Then backtest and backtest and backtest. Don't backtest with demo. Go and get money, no matter how small, even though it's $100, $200. Blow it, don't worry. Are you getting it? You are learning. One day you will become profitable. Now, are you surprised, like, how did I enter this trade all the way from 520 yesterday? I'll show you that trade. I entered from 520 yesterday, 520 yesterday. How was I able to cash that trade yesterday? Is because I know that definitely we will take some liquidity or some stop losses. Market maker will take some stop losses. So let me enter from here first,
from those areas.
Enter from here again. That was how I entered this trade yesterday. And as I'm talking to you right now, I'm not scared of this interest rate decision that is happening any moment from now, because number one, I didn't just enter from the lowest point. I also have money, and I also, now a lot of people say that why are you giving a 100 pip stop loss? I don't want anything that will happen tomorrow that they will come and take my stop loss. So I want to put now on a one lot. from here to here, from 520 to maybe 450 or 490 yesterday. I was telling you guys yesterday, 10 that the 490 was like 70 or 70 pips. From 570 to 490 was like about 80 pips or so. Have that money. If you don't have that money, don't want to put your stop loss here. I would not advise you. Are you getting it? Put your stop loss far away. Even though it's $150 and you have $1,000, your stop loss is $150. Is $150. Since you know that this will hold, there's an assurance that they will not take your money before going back up. Since you know that this market will hold here and trade up to these areas, which is on that 400 pips, on a 0.1 account, which is $150, this market is likely to give you $400 within the next 1-2 weeks. Or it might be days, depends on the price action, depends on how many people stepped in from today's decision. Are you getting it? So it does not matter the days. I don't care about the days. God has given me life, and I'm praying to wake up tomorrow, next year, next 20 years. Why won't I wait? Are you getting it? So that boils back to whatever is happening in this market right now. Now, it did not just give me an indication that, what's it called? Now, can you spot anything from here, Mr. Johnson? Can you spot anything from here that made this, that is giving you assurance that this market is reversed already?
Yes.
What can you spot?
This engulfing that happened.
Bullish engulfing candle happened. Let me show you. Yes. Bullish engulfing. That's why you need to know everything.
Sorry, you know that I almost put call across last night that this thing is dropping. How come? But when I later saw the bullish engulfing, and I now say, okay, meaning you were actually waiting for something like this.
A lot of people will wait for a bullish engulfing. Are you getting it? But me, I go to my lower time frame to find something else, like a chart pattern or something else on my 15 minutes time frame that will give me an assurance that this market is actually going up. Are you getting it? Before first of all, let me go back here. First of all, I know that there are support at the back here, which is my area of value. So entering this market as a buy, I have a 50% assurance that this market will go back up. But aside from that, a lot of people wait for this bullish engulfing also to show them that this market has reversed, is going to reverse back to the upside. And they will start buying from here, putting their stop loss here, using over from here to here now, from 580 to 480 is 100 on that 100 pips. A lot of people even go as far as putting 200 pips because they don't want anything that will happen, maybe a news event that will disrupt the market and take their money before reversing back up, like what is going to happen today now. Are you getting it? So first of all, you as a trader now, you have seen a bullish engulfing already, and you have the knowledge that this is a bullish engulfing pattern. And what does a bullish engulfing pattern do? It's an indication of a reversal backward to the upside. Bullish engulfing is a multiple candlestick chart pattern that is formed after a downtrend, indicating a bullish reversal. It is formed by two candles. The second candle engulfing the first candle. The first candle is a bearish candle that indicates the continuation of the downtrend. And the second candle is a long bullish candle that completely engulfs, that covers the first candle and shows the bulls are back in the market. This is what a bullish engulfing candle means. So it must not really be the same thing, but that is psychology behind the bullish engulfing candle. Traders can enter a long position if next day, they are using daily chart now, if next day candle is formed and can place a stop loss at the low of the second candle. Below is an example of a bullish engulfing, like what you are seeing on the chart right now. This is a bullish engulfing candle. Are you getting it? So these are things you must find in support levels for you to have assurance that this market is going to go to the upside. So because I'm a professional trader, I have the basic knowledge. No matter what the red I'm seeing right now, I am not scared because I am in this market early already. And even though it's going to come down because of interest rate decisions, my stop loss is far away. Are you getting it? So no matter what happens, even though it goes minus 100, minus 1,000, as long as I am still in this market, I am sure that is a bullish engulfing already. Are you getting it? I will still remain in this market. I don't care whatever they want to do. That's my confidence level number one. And that should be your confidence level number two also, knowing that this is an area of value that has held before. So even though anything wants to happen, probably they saw a lot of stop losses under here from December, from January, or from February 24th, or from March 8th, that they want to come and take like market makers before they continue. I don't care. But I know that no matter what is happening, I have assurance that this market will definitely go back up because we actually broke a previous high with this high. So we are actually shifting to the upside. So entering from here or even entering from here using a 200 pip stop loss is not a bad idea as long as you have the money. That's why they say that don't use more than 2 to 5% of your account so that in case anything is going wrong, even though it takes about 20 to 30% of your account, you know that this market is actually going to reverse back to the upside. It's a foolish thing when you are scalping, because if you are scalping, you want to catch small 30 pips. It's not actually easy sometimes to scalp. But for me now, I'm a swing trader. Even though it's going to take 2 weeks, before you scalp the money outside, my one lot will give me $4,000. My 10 lot will give me $40,000. So if I'm going to make $40,000 as a Nigerian in 1 month, do you know how much is that? $10,000 right now is 7.5 million. 7.5 million times 4 is 28 million naira. So I'm making 28 million naira in the next 1 or 2 months, even though it's 1 year. As a Nigerian, think about it. Forget the capital I have. As a Nigerian, you are making 1 million naira monthly safe. You are above your peers, above any salary earner. So these are things you must learn first before taking. So it is very important that you know all your candlestick pattern. You know what a morning star means. What is a morning star? A morning star is a multiple candlestick chart pattern, which is formed after a downtrend, indicating a bullish reversal. It is made of 3 candles. First being a bearish candle, second being a doji, third being a bullish candle. Now, let's go back here now. Do you know that this is a hammer? And what is a hammer? A hammer is a bullish engulfing, is a bullish reversal chart pattern that is formed where? Fine, hammer. A hammer, where is it? Sorry, I'm coming. A hammer is a single candlestick pattern that is formed at the end of a downtrend and signals bullish reversal. The body of this candle is small and is located at the top, at the top with a lower shadow, which should be more than twice the real body. This candle chart pattern has no or little upper shadow. The psychology behind this candle formation is that the price opened and sellers pushed the price down. Pushed down the price. Suddenly, buyers came into the market and pushed the price up and closed the trading session more than the opening price. This is a hammer. Look at it. This is also a hammer. So knowing this already, that and is happening on a 4-hourly chart and is on a support and is on not just on a support, it's on a what's it called? Double bottom, which is a bullish reversal candle that brought this reversal. Now we're having a triple bottom that is 100% assurance that this market will not just only reverse, but reverse and go to the previous high, no matter how long it takes. This is where the market is coming at 1.100. From where we are right now, from 1.600 is 400 pips. That's over 4,000. 400 pips on a 1 lot account is $4,000. On a 0.1 lot account is $400. So if you are risking $100 to $150 on this trade, just imagine how much you will make. You will make up to like $400 on a 0.1 account. That means if you have a $1,000 account, you can take a 0.1 account and make $400 within the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks, or it depends on how long it takes. I don't care. As long as I hit a profit, that's how I trade. That gives me freedom. That gives me ability to sleep. That gives me ability not to come here again for the next 1 or 2 weeks. That's how I know that this market is surely coming here. So you have to have all this knowledge, know about each of the 35 candlestick pattern, the bearish candlestick pattern, the bullish candlestick pattern. That is how this market actually does what? Form. So I was telling you something on the lower time frame. How do I know that this market is actually, how do I know my real levels? And people will be shocked, like, okay, how do I even know all these exact levels? And I tell you that this market will come to this exact level and will come to that exact level. Let me drop to the 15 minutes time frame on the Euro USD. You will see that we did something on the 15 minutes time frame, which is also a bullish engulfing, bullish chart pattern. And what is it? This is a head and shoulders pattern that I did, which broke with a very 15 minutes candle. And since then, we have been.
Sorry, is this one not double top? Sorry, double bottom.
It's still on a double bottom. We still have a double bottom on the 15 minutes also, which made this thing to break to the upside, which formed a sharp pattern called, what's it called? So everything you'll be seeing right now, you'll be seeing things that are giving you assurance that this market is going to the upside. So as it stands right now, no matter what happens, we must not close a 15 minutes candle below this 560 area. Are you getting it? So this is also an entry to the upside.
Yes.
Then we must not break below this 520 area also. So that these are things you look at, even though you are going to the lower time frame, even though you are scalping. But there's something you must know today. The trend is your friend. I gave a scalp position from here yesterday. Are you getting it? That we might be coming down to retest these levels. Are you getting it? And start going up. He did not respect the self trade I gave, and actually went against my trading rules and regular strategy, and he punished me. So that's what I'm not supposed to be doing. That's why I'm not a scalper. That's why I don't scalp. I want to give myself, are you getting it, peace of mind, away from emotion. A lot of people will enter a sell position from here or here right now, targeting this because we will actually come here. I don't want that kind of money. I want a money that I know that we have a bullish engulfing on the 4-hourly already. We have a hammer and we were at the support level. So I'd rather start buying from here than selling from here. That might not actually happen. This market might actually fail, go to the upside. Are you getting it? So as long as you have money, you can even start entering from years. As long as you have enough, probably 200 pips, you can start buying or wait for it to retrace to your level and start buying up. So this is what you need to find out before you do what? You have to have all this knowledge before you start trading. So this is a double bottom. Are you getting it? But I can also call it a what's it called? A head and shoulders pattern. And what are head and shoulders pattern? Head and shoulders pattern, when we start chart pattern, when we start learning about chart patterns, after this candlestick pattern, you start seeing things that are happening and you start knowing, are you getting it? Head and shoulders pattern, and what does it do? Let me show you an example. This is a head and shoulders pattern. What does it do? It comes the way, like, it might not be clean as I'm showing you right now, but they will never make it clean for you. Because if they make it clean for you, they know that you'll make money from it. Okay, this is an example of a head and shoulders pattern. Sometimes it forms very well, like it's forming, and this head and shoulders pattern is forming somewhere on NZD USD. Look at this, look at this, look at this. This NZD USD. Let me show you this. And you'll be shocked, like, well, how is it even happening? How do I know? Look at it. Sorry. Hold on. Hold on, let me delete this. A mistake. So this is a head and shoulders pattern. Let me delete this. Let me delete this. Let me delete this. So if I am to trade right now, look at, this is a left shoulder, this is a head, this is a right shoulder forming right now. Are you getting it? This is a head and shoulders pattern that has a break to the upside, like this. So you imagine that before this thing even happens, I have the knowledge already, knowing that we're coming up the way up to this side, 6, 4, 5, 6. This from where we are right now is about 300 pips if you even enter this market from here. So definitely this market is supposed to reverse any moment from here to this place. So from here to here is 271, 129 minus 270 is about 150 pips. $150. So if I want to scalp safe, I will swing it from here to here. Are you getting it? Then take profit, wait for it to break, then come back to retest here our what's it called, our support, our resistance now turn support, then take it to this level again, which is our head and shoulders pattern target, then wait for it to retrace again or break above and continue going to our overall take profit target I have on NZD/USD of 6550. That's another 400 pips into the future. This is how to trade. If you don't know all these things, trust me, you can never make money in trading. Are you getting it? But these are footprints being left by these large institutions, how this market actually formed. And how do I know that we might be coming back all the way to this area? I go to my higher time frame to find out, my weekly definitely, to find out what has been happening in this market. Are you getting it? This market was actually trending from the downside since, are you getting it? Since, what's it called? Since October 3rd. So it came and found resistance here. Are you getting it? Now it's doing a retracement to the downside, probably to find, let me find on that chart, NZD USD. Let me go to another chart and don't touch that chart. Let me go to another chart that I have not worked on so that you can see something. Trading is very simple if you know what you are doing. NZD USD. You must know what you are doing in trading before you can trade, before you can be a trader. So whatever we might be doing right now is that we actually broke this structure, this last low with this. There's an indication that this is a retracement happening right now to take us back here, doing something called an ABC move. With time, you know all these things. This is how I know. So even though it takes me up to probably even next month, next 2 months, I know where the market is going to. Are you getting it? So how do I know where it's retracing to? Use your Fibonacci tool to draw. We are 0.3 right now. So this market might actually reverse all the way down to 0.5 or 0.618 and continue this trend to the upside. We are 0.3 right now. If it reverses from 0.3, it has a target, a tool you can use again. That if this market reverses from here, where are we going to? We are going to 0.786. And where is 0.786? Look at the target. Here I told us that we'll be doing an ABC move too. So you must have all this knowledge. You must have all this knowledge. If you don't have all this knowledge, you cannot be in the market. Are you getting it? So this market is actually trying to do something like this. No, let me use this tool. Here's that tool. Let me use the part 2. So this market is actually trying to do something like this. Come back to 0.3 and come to 0.8. Do you know how many pips is this one? From here to here right now, from entry from 126, where we are right now, to 900 is another 700 pips. 700 pips. So no matter how long it takes, you know where the market is going. On a 0.1 account, it's $700. On a one lot account is $7,000. On a 10 lot account is $70,000. So this is how to be in the market. So you must know your levels. Every market has its own bearings. Are you getting it? Now this is EURUSD. This is GBP/USD. GBP/USD right now. This market was actually trading to the downside. Are you getting it? But what did it do? This was the last lower high. This was the lower low. We broke the lower high, changing character to the upside. So definitely anything we are doing right now is retracing to our Fibonacci levels of either 0.382 or 0.5 or 0.618, which is the last one before going back to 2,400 pips. So I'll be buying from here. I'll be buying from here also. Buying from here also. Putting my stop loss below 0.786, because if it closes below 786, this market has actually invalidated the buys. Are you getting it? Going to the upside. But since we have changed character to the upside, buyers are actually looking for any of these levels to hold. And once it can hold, we'll go to the upside. Now, I have another thing that can tell me where this market might finally hold, no matter what happens on the news on GBP/USD. It's telling me that we have been on something called a falling wedge. And falling wedge are bullish reversal chart patterns. Come and look at this next 2 weeks or ending of March. We might be somewhere here or here. How do you know? Is when you know all these things I've been explaining since. Break of structure, change of character. We broke the structure to the upside. Changing characters, changing character. We call it change of character in trading, but you can also call it probably change of level. Or we change already, we'll be selling to the downside before. Now there's something that has shown us that we are now going back to the upside. Are you getting a change of character, do a retracement to some support levels, which we are having right now, or retest this trend line. You see this trend line? Retest the trend line, hold it, and start going. So if you are in the market, you are buying small, you know you have capital, and you know liquidate all your capital, you are not greedy. Trust me, this is how to do what? This is how to trade. And that's what is happening on Euro USD and the rest of them also. So since we have this on Euro USD, gold has given us a path. This same thing that is happening already now. We are here on Euro USD right now. If I open the 1 hour chart for you on gold, you'll be surprised. Like, how did I know that this market will actually go to 1,920? I gave the analysis, I think, on what's it called? I started giving analysis since March, since February, I think since February 12th or February 24th or so like that. Since February 24th, yes, this is where I started giving the analysis that we changed character to the upside already with this, breaking this previous, what's it called? Look at it. We changed character to the upside already. So definitely is an area of value that we definitely come to and hold it. If you can hold this 1085, I took a trade all the way to 1920. Do you know how many pips is that? From 1805 to 1920. That is over, you cannot even calculate it safe. That's over 12,000 pips on gold. So how do you know these things? You must know how to trade. You must pass through these lectures. You must know what your candlestick pattern means. You must know everything. Practicalize it, find them on every chart, practicalize them. You must know what a morning star is. You must know what an evening star is. You must know what this three white soldier means. Now look at right now. This is a three white soldier. Let me go back to Euro USD and show you something. We have three white soldier also on Euro USD on the 4-hourly chart. We have three white soldiers also. Even so, it has been giving us. What's it called? Everything has been giving us a bullish signal. After getting a hammer, which is a bullish signal. I'm coming. Oh God, I need to do this. After giving us a hammer, which is a bullish signal, he gave us something else again yesterday. What did he give us yesterday? What did he give us before we started this training? We have just 8 minutes to go. Are you there, Mr. Johnson?
Hello? I'm with you, but only that is your communication is breaking.
My communication is breaking. Okay, I'll send you the video. Okay, I said it has been giving us something. Ahead. It has been giving us bullish signals since yesterday. How many candlestick pattern have you pointed out right now? Let me tell you. First of all,
aside golfing.
Yes. It has given us something again. What is it in?
Inverted hammer.
No, inverted hammer is a bearish signal. Now it has given us. Let me show you now. This is how to trail your trading as a professional trader. First of all, it gave us a hammer. 50% of the time, the hammer works. Now, apart from the hammer, now it gave us another confirmation of 70% again, a bullish engulfing. Now it has given us 100% confirmation again that this market is not going down. Do you know what that thing means? It's 1, 2, 3. It is called three white soldiers. 3 white soldiers, 1, 2, 3, 3 green candle. Okay. Now the 3 white soldier is a multiple candlestick pattern that is formed after a downtrend, indicating a bullish reversal. These candles charts are made up of 3 long bullish candles, which do not have long shadows, and open with the real body of the previous candle. Now look at.
Yes.
He opened with the body of the. It does not have much long wick. This one have long. I can consider this
long
one.
Shadow.
It has a long shadow, but I can still consider it a white soldier because 1, 2, 3 are white soldiers. Bullish engulfing, a hammer. These are the reasons why more people are really buying this market to the upside. And the people you see that is in this 4-hourly right now, making this 4-hourly red, it is not over yet until 2 hours for it to close. Always wait for your candles to do what? Close before you get scared. But because people are seeing this red now and we are in 2 hours into the 4-hourly candle already, they will start selling because of what they are seeing on the lower time frame because they want to scalp and go down. I don't trade like that. I'm in this market already. This market is telling me that on the long run, we are coming not just here, our take profit of 780. Are you guessing it? We are coming all the way to this high because we have something called triple bottom. And once we have a triple bottom, what does it do on gold? Let me show you on gold. Once you have a triple bottom, what does it do? It pushes up and it takes us back to where we started from. Let me show you an example of a triple bottom. This is an example of a triple bottom, and this is exactly what is happening right now on your chart. Look at 1, 2, 3. What happens?
1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
What happens?
Yeah.
Go and watch my November 5th video and my November on gold. I gave this analysis and I told us that we are leaving 1,600 all the way to 1,800. I think, yes, I gave this analysis that don't leave the market until you get here. And this market started from November 4th. I guess I entered this market from November 4th and I left the trade to run to December 28th. Do you know how many pips is that?
More than a month.
20,000 pips. So you must know all these things. The moment you don't know all these things, you must know your candlestick pattern, you must know your chart pattern, you must know what a change of character means, you must know what a change of a break of structure means, you must know where the market is actually going, you must know that this is an area of value right now because it gave us a triple bottom, and triple bottom actually goes to the previous high. So no matter what was happening here, people were like, oh, what is happening? What is happening? What is happening? I was not scared. You know, I was not scared because something else was guiding me.
No.
You know what that thing is? A 20 EMA. You'll be shocked about what's about to happen right now. And you'll be shocked that, oh, this thing has been following up all this while, and I did not know. It's loading. My 20 EMA is loading. Let it load. This market started, 20 EMA took it, started going and going and going. Look at it. Look at it. It's loading. My daily. It has been guiding me all this while. I was not scared. As long as we're not breaking below the 20 EMA, I was not scared. Look at. Are you seeing the line? Mr. Johnson, are you seeing the white line? We have just 2 minutes to go. Hello? So let me continue. So after taking this bullish engulfing on the bottom, are you getting it? I brought in my EMA. That's where my confidence is now. But I don't know what will happen in the market again. I don't care about any news. I just want this line that has broken. So this is on that strategy. A lot of people have this strategy that once their what's it called? Once their trade breaks above their 20 EMA, is a signal to buy. So they take this trade. And until that 20 EMA fails, until another candle closes below the 20 EMA, they don't leave. So I would have ridden this market up to 1,900 from 1,600, 30,000 pips on a 0.1 account, which is $1,000, would have made me about $30,000 on gold, which happened from November 3rd, November 4th, all the way to February 3rd, exactly 2 months. Wow. Exactly 2 months. When I watch my November video, you will see that I gave this, go to my YouTube and watch my November video. You will see that I told everybody that Just take your trade and go and sleep for the next 2 months. Go and sleep for the next 2 months and just be drinking every day by day. Just even borrow money, say, be drinking, be buying champagne, be popping champagne because we're coming out 900. I made a lot of money from. I think I made $30,000 from this trade. I think yes, made $30,000 from this trade.
Wow!
I did not leave this trade until what happened? Until we broke down from this EMA. See that it has been guiding until I have a daily close. It's on that strategy again. So I will teach you a lot of strategies where you can be using to guide your trade. Now, if I employ that to my 20 EMA to our Euro USD right now, you will see that this thing has actually been working in our favor. Now, the 20 EMA is about taking it again. Once you take it right now, you will see that it will start guiding it and guide it until we get here. So the 20 EMA is also a strategy, that people use in taking trades from the bottom. Are you getting it? Right now, we are here. Just look at the beauty of trading. Look at the beauty of trading. Just look at the beauty of trading. Look at, I was here.